Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about FlexClip, a powerful online video editing tool that lets you create stunning videos for free. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or content creator, FlexClip has everything you need to make your videos stand out. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a closer look at how to use FlexClip's features to create amazing videos that will capture your audience's attention. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a free account on FlexClip's website. Once you've created an account, you can start creating your video. FlexClip's interface is very user-friendly, so even if you're new to video editing, you'll be able to navigate the tools and features easily. To create a new video, simply click on the Create New button and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Adding media to your project. Now that you've created a new project, it's time to start adding media. You can upload your own images and video clips, or you can choose from FlexClip's extensive library of stock media. To upload your own media, simply drag and drop your files into the editor. You can also browse FlexClip's library of stock media by clicking on the Stock button on the left-hand side of the screen. Editing your video. Once you've added your media, it's time to start editing your video. FlexClip's editor lets you add text, music, voiceovers, and more to your video. You can also trim and split your video clips to make sure they're the perfect length. One of the most powerful features of FlexClip is its ability to add transitions and effects to your video. You can choose from a wide range of effects, including fades, wipes, and slides, to give your video a professional look. Exporting your video. Now that you've finished editing your video, it's time to export it. FlexClip lets you export your video in a variety of formats, including MP4, MOV, and GIF. You can also choose your preferred resolution and quality settings. For higher resolutions you will need a plan. I will leave a link in description for you to get discount on the plans. Once you've exported your video, you can share it on social media, embed it on your website, or download it to your computer. So, that's it for our FlexClip tutorial. We hope you've learned something new about this powerful online video editing tool. With FlexClip, you can create amazing videos that will captivate your audience and help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials like this one. Peace out.